Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming variables and units so your graph communicates clearly. Label axes with units and sample size. Once done, pick the graph type based on your question. Scatter for correlations, bars for group comparisons, lines for time courses. Make sure to clean the dataset now, remove impossible values and compute group means and variability, SD or SEM. This early precision reduces confusion later and ensures your visual reflects the biology, not data entry mistakes. Next, plot the data and prioritize raw points so the viewer sees distribution and outliers. Overlay summary markers like mean or median, and add error bars labeled as SD or SEM with N indicated. Those choices affect interpretation. Then fit the appropriate trend line or regression, and display the equation plus R2 and p-value when you report relationships. Doing statistics on the plotted data clarifies whether patterns are meaningful. Annotate significance with consistent symbols and explain them in the caption. To finish, refine visual details. Choose legible fonts, consistent color coding, clear legend, and axis ticks that don't distort trends. Once formatted, write a brief caption listing methods, N, error type, stats used, and the core takeaway so readers can interpret quickly. If something looks off, troubleshoot by checking axis scales, mislabeled units, or outliers. Rerun analyzes after correcting data. If results shift, update annotations and caption. Accurate graphs require iteration and careful verification.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.